All right. Checklist is clear. Go to quick safety briefing inside before we start. Seatbelts are on. Seatbelts, how to use them. Aircraft doors, air vents. Can't working as sooner. Fire extinguisher in between our seats. In the event of a fire, undo the buckle, pull the pin, aim the fire back and forth until the fire is completely extinguished. I've always wondered which key. Round key?
Round key.
Okay. Had a 50-50 shot.
Uh-huh.
All right. Test the brakes. Clear prop.
Okay, I got you loud and clear.
All right, let me put my noise canceling on. You don't have noise canceling, do you?
I don't use it. Nope.
Oh, okay.
Don't have it. Don't use it.
Pilot Julie could watch the Dallas via the Tides 1 departure, Camjo transition.
We're going out to Wauchula, KCHN.
Trying to be the SID, San departure frequency 119.65, clock 3307. Fairbated India.
Natives.
Sarasota 8 at India, 1453 Zulu, wind 1403, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 30, 2.19er, altimeter 29906, visual approaches in use. And again, departing runways 14 and 4, no jams. For clearance delivery, contact ground control on 121.9er. Land and hold short operations are in use. Use caution for increased bird activity in the vicinity. All aircraft feedback runway assignment and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact via Vedas, India.
India, okay, we're cool. All right, switch back.
Hold on.
Sarasota 8 at India, 1453 Zulu, wind.
You just want to make sure it says India another time.
Okay.
Yep. Just to make sure that they're not in the process of changing it.
Cool. All right. So we're going to switch over to ground.
Sarasota ground, 115 Lima Julia. You doing clearance today?
We're going to do
115 Lima Julia. Yeah, I heard you on clearance. Did you hear me?
Okay. Acknowledge, okay. And we're going to do to the airport direct. Okay.
35 Lima Julia, ground loud clear. How many? I've got you now. I'm sorry. Are you doing clearance today, or do I need to go back to 1825? I had something messed up on my audio panel. Hi, Lima Julia. No worries. I'm working on both. You're cleared to Washington to Dulles via the Tides 1 departure, Camjo transition. Then it's filed. Flying via the SID. San departure frequency 119.65, spark 3307. Sarasota ground, 22 Mike Tango clear, runway 14.
We do 2005?
That sounds good.
All right, sounds good.
Into Atlantic North.
Hold on.
22 Mike Tango, taxi via Delta Foxtrot. Delta Foxtrot, 22 Mike Tango. Okay, for 115 Lima Juliet, it's Washington Dulles via the Tides 1 Camjo transition, and as filed, climb via the SID.
Want to pull up there?
1965.
No, it's okay. We can chill here.
35 Lima Juliet, read back.
Okay, give us a little bit lean here.
South of the ground.
Oh, sit. Yep.
South of the ground, 3509 in Quebec.
This is 3509 Quebec, Sarasota ground.
Good afternoon, 3509 Quebec. We'd like a departure from the pilot place to Wauchula at 2005. Information, India. Ready for the taxi.
This is 3509 Quebec, on departure, fly heading 090, maintain VFR at or below 1,600. Tampa departure frequency 119.65, spot 0104.
Okay, departure to Wauchula, 090, heading on route altitude, maintain VFR at below 1006, frequency 119.65, transponder 0104, 50 nautic back.
09, Quebec, reback is correct, runway 4, taxi via Foxtrot Delta, hold short of runway 14.
Okay, clear left, clear right, clear center. Crossover.
Roger, 705 Victor Sierra, clear
Hold up,
to Charlie
runway
X-ray Yankee
14.
via the Tides 1 departure. Camjo transition, then it's filed. Climb via the SID. Cam departure frequency 119.65, spark 3366.
I'll always remember you popping the yoke,
Uh-huh.
even when you're taxing up.
Oh, yeah.
Nice landing there. Clear left, clear right to the center, and hold short. You don't want to get hit by that bus.
189 Whiskey Tango with Drive Far to Corpus. That's a 09 Quebec, cross runway 14 at Delta.
Crossing runway 14 Delta 3509 Quebec.
Gotta get your strobes on.
Station
Yep,
189
everything's on.
Whiskey Tango, clear to Port of Columbus via the Tides 1 departure. Camjo transition, then it's filed.
I thought I put those on.
Camjo departure frequency 119.65, spark 2113. That's spark one more time. Spark code 2113.
Clear left, clear right to the center, all clear, clear.
Via the SID 119.65 and 2113189 Whiskey Tango. 29 Whiskey Tango, reback is correct. Talk to you shortly. And Delta 2723 is cleared on Alpha. We're going to Bravo 4. 2723, Sarasota to the ground, taxi via Alpha Bravo. Alpha Bravo, Delta 2723.
Okay. Over the side here.
Background, good afternoon, Sky.
Parallel to the taxiway, we don't go off. We do lose our brakes, we continue straight.
5206, Sarasota ground, clear to Sarasota via radar vectors to Venice, then back on departure, fly heading 180.
Okay, you do a quick run up.
600, expect 3000, 10 minutes after.
F cigars.
119.65,
F flaps.
4623.
Picture full rich. Flight control is free and clear.
Venice via radar vector and back to Sarasota. Heading 180, 1600, expecting 3001.
Instruments in the green.
Frequency 11965, squawk 46.
Gas gauge in the middle. Boom.
Back 52606, straight back is correct.
Okay. And do the run up. 1800 RPM. Brakes on. And testing left magneto. No drop more than 150. Back to boat. Testing right magneto. No drop more than 150. No difference in 50 between the two. Back to boat. Hey, instruments in the green. Temp in the green, back. And drop this down to 16, actually 6 to 800 RPM. And back up to 1,000. Lean it down a bit. 2 finger breaths. Okay, so that's all done. Explain to you what we're going to do. We're going to do runway 04, 090 heading. In the event that during rollout we have engine failure, still on the ground, we'll quickly apply brakes, pull over the taxiway, and that will be that. We do go airborne below 700 feet. We will look for the clearest place to land and brace for impact. Also taking the magnetos out to see if we won't be able to restart any type of fuel combustion, magnetos, fuel
Taxi up 2, hold short of taxiway Alpha.
and hopefully that won't happen. If we're above 3005, we'll use checklist ABCD, best place to land, IG best airspeed, 68 knots, best place to land, speed checklist, and declare emergency 121.5 and squawking 7700. So, any questions?
Nope. In the event of an actual emergency, it will be likely that I take the controls and I may require a checklist from you.
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right.
PIC. All right, we're clear.
Only in that event.
Yep. Okay.
Now for our takeoff, we'll go full throttle, engine instruments in the green.
Yep.
Airspeed alive, we'll rotate at
72.
55 to 60
yep.
and
pitch for 72 VY.
yep, 74.
74. All right, let's switch to tower.
We're 20 uniform, contact Tampa Departure, check your flight.
Over to Tampa for 6520 uniform, Peggy.
I'm gonna get a swig of booze here.
Okay.
070 runway 14, clear to land, hold shorter runway 04 for touch and go traffic.
We're going to land 14, hold shorter.
How you doing?
Thank you. Number 05 Alpha, runway 4, clear touch and go traffic.
Like a camel.
3 mile final, cross
Like
runway,
a
will land in
camel or a
hold shorter runway.
cactus.
Runway 4, clear for touch and go,
I need very little water.
All right.
Start to the Tower All-Star, A69, visual runway 14.
All-Star 39, Sarasota Tower, runway 14, clear to land, Cessna 3 mile final.
Runway 14, clear to land, All-Star.
And All-Star 39, safe parking?
South Atlantic, All-Star, A79.
Roger.
Sarasota Tower, 3509 Quebec. We're holding short runway 04 at Delta, ready for departure.
For 3509 Quebec, Sarasota Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 4.
Holding short runway 4 at 04, 059, 3509 Quebec. I hate the call signs. I'm so used to golf.
Yeah.
Planes coming in. Good situational awareness, always checking.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and this is a good distance from the whole short line.
Yeah.
You know, I like 2 to 3 car lengths. That's my style.
Taxi, stable, Charlie 3. Fish 070, Roger, left turn.
Goes
Like rubbernecking, you know, on the highway.
Yep, we'll get
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, it's if all of a sudden, you know, God forbid something happens on runway 4, right, and they
Yeah.
close down the runway,
Get out.
then to turn around, we just gotta go up and to the left and bring ourselves around, and not even our wing will cross the whole short line, right? Because we're not cleared to get onto the runway. So why be so close to the whole short line? It's like, well, now I can't turn around without going onto technically the runway.
Yeah.
So I mean, you can take me over to that taxiway, and I can go down that way. But
By the way, your Chris Camp right down there.
it's right down there. Is it working?
Yeah, it's working. It's on.
I can't see it.
Right in the middle of the console.
I think your drink is unblocking it. There we go. Oh, that's not it.
Wind
That's the power
1006.
There it is.
All right.
Number 05 Alpha, 1
Chris Cam!
We'll extend down with your clear being 05 Alpha.
Just lightly tapping the back of that.
What's that?
This is the back here. So-
Okay.
Okay, there we are.
Awesome.
Chris Cam, so
Chris Cam! Chris Cam!
when you're doing it, just don't touch that there.
Uh-huh.
Because it does some funky stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Look at that. That's the right distance. For anyone who wants to know, that distance is 2 to 3 car lengths. That's how far away from the whole short line you should be. Because that's the correct thing to do.
And listen to Chris always.
And listen to Chris always.
Listen to Chris always.
That's the name of this video. Listen to Chris.
Even when we're not using Chris Cam.
Chris Cam.
That's great.
That's great.
So for landing checks, I go gas on the tank, fuel box, and what's on straight box. Somewhere between 6.5 and 7.0 knots, okay? So you just got to ease off of the pressure.